Hi everyone, welcome you all to this course. And before starting the course, wish you all Happy New Year 2021. Let's prepare well for Karnataka CET as well as any competitive examinations as well as for board examination as easy as possible. Okay, so thank you very much for joining this course. Okay, so first of all, I welcome you all to this course on Moving Charges and Magnetism for Karnataka CET 2021 and 2022. Okay, so thank you very much. So can you please confirm whether I am audible and am I visible to you? Just let me confirm so that I can go ahead. Okay, very good. So I hope that I am visible to you and everything is fine here. Okay, so thank you very much for that. Today's session is on moving charges and magnetism. Okay, moving charges and magnetism. Okay, here I can add the notes. Okay, fine, very good. Okay, so now the particular session is on moving charges and magnetism. So probably you can expect around something like 3 to 4 questions from this chapter. Okay, 3 to 4 questions. QESTIONS. Okay, 3 to 4 questions we can expect from this chapter. So probably an important chapter for you for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. Okay, so thank you very much. So here let me before going to the problems on moving charges and magnetism, I would like to introduce you about Unacademy Plus subscription. I hope that you are already aware of these things. Okay, Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, so here are some very best plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. Okay, very good plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants are like there's a 12 months plan adjusted rupees 12,375 and there's a 6 months plan adjusted rupees 10,125 rupees. Okay, if you use the code SATISHTLIVE, okay, if you use the code Satish SATISHTLIVE, okay, TLIVE, you will get 10% off. Okay, you will get 10% off on the course fees. Okay, you have to use the code Satish.T. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you definitely get the 10% off on the course fees. Okay, so welcome Govind Prasad. Okay, thank you for confirming I am audible to you. Thank you very much for that. Okay, so here you can clearly say there are a lot of advantages by joining into Unacademy Plus subscription, like 6 months full syllabus coverage will be there, course completion in Kannada language will be there, and dedicated doubt clearing sessions will be there. Okay, and there is a 2 batches, sir, actually. Okay, we have comprehensive batch as well as there is a Kannada batch for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. You can clearly have a look on that. Okay, Kannada batch ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. Okay, you can join into any one of the courses. Okay, by taking Unacademy Plus subscription. ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದೇನು okay, single subscription will access, you can access the unlimitedly. Okay, ನೀವು one access ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can access it ಅಂದ್ರೆ one course ಅನ್ನು one plus subscription ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can access it unlimitedly. Okay, so nowadays they are introducing a rankers batch. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು rankers batch ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, rankers batch ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay, rankers batch for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. Okay, I am taking the entire physics for you people. Okay, on rankers batch for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು entire physics ನಿಮಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, so kindly join us as soon as possible just by joining into Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, so thank you. So let me move ahead to solve the problems on this. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, because as the chapter is very much important for you people, so let's go ahead to solve the problems on the chapter. Okay, look at the first problem. The correct Biot Savart law in the vector form is, this is one of the appeared problem from Karnataka CET 2019 it seems. Okay, it's a hadamatalli kelidru, so I hope it's a problem from 2019 question paper. Okay, so can you please answer it? Any answer? Let me see. Yaru answer ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Anyone of you, can you answer it? If you have any doubts, answer, just let me know. ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Any answer? No answer. Okay, anyhow, you know that the Biot Savart law will give you the magnitude of the what? Magnetic field at a particular point. Which is a distance of vector r and is the current element dl. ಓಕೆ DL ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ and this is the angle theta. So ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ we clearly studied that the magnitude of the magnetic field that must be equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi into I into dl into sin theta divided by r square. So I is the current flow into the conductor ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ. I is the current flow into the conductor, that is what equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I dl sin theta divided by r square ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ. Is it clear to everyone? ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So now you can clearly say that. Okay, now you can clearly say that if you want to make it, okay, very good, Sanju. So you are right. Option B is the right answer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ Sanju ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So thank you very much for that. Okay, so now you know that in the vector form I can say that it should be equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi into what? I is a scalar quantity. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ DL ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ R ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. So that when ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ R square ಇದೆ that will become R cube. Okay, so ಈ ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ this is the right form of the what? The Biot Savart's law in the vector form. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು Biot Savart's law in vector form ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ you can clearly go for option B is the right answer. ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, this is the right answer for this question. ಈ question ಗೆ option B is the right answer. Okay, is it clear to you? It's one of the appeared CET problems. So that's the reason I have taken this one. Okay, thank you. Okay, is it clear to you or any doubt? Is it clear to you or in doubt? Let me see. Okay, so thank you very much for confirming it, and let me move to the next problem. Okay, next problem move. Look at this problem here. An electron is moving in a circle of radius r in a uniform magnetic field B. Okay, suddenly the field is reduced to B by 2. The radius of the circular path now becomes, is the question. Any answer? Very good problem on the current on the moving charges and magnetism. An electron is moving in a circle of radius r in a uniform magnetic field B. Suddenly the field is reduced to B by 2. The radius of the circular path is the question. Any answer? Can you answer it? ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Okay, please answer it. ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Let me see how many people answer it. Very good problem. Just make a comment so that I can definitely get to know about it. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್? ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when the magnetic field which is into the plenary paper and velocity component vector v as well as vector b ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವಾಗ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, there should be circular motion of the charge particle. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ the radius of the path r must be equal to mv divided by qb ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ this is the formula you need to remember. Okay, when the charge particle enters the magnetic field, the region of magnetic field, when it traces the circular path, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the radius of the circular path must be r must be equal to mv divided by qb ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there is no question in that. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the question with respect to what? Only the magnetic field ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ therefore I can say that radius is inversely proportional to magnetic field ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ r is inversely proportional to b ಇತ್ತು and r dash the new radius must be directly proportional to and it is inversely proportional to b divided by 2 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು, or else it is 2 divided by b ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So suppose if I divide those two, ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಆರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್, ಇಂಟು 2 divided by b into what, 1 divided by ಏನು ಉಳಿತು, 1 by b ಉಳಿತು, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ b divided by 1 ಅಂತ, that is must be equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಸೊ r dash must be equal to, so therefore you can say that r dash must be equal to 2 times r ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So you can go for option ಯಾವುದು, option b as the right answer. Exactly both are very correct and both are correct. Govinda Prasad as well as Sanjeeva Karkon, both are correct. And 2R is the right answer for this question. Very good. I expect both of you to get into Unacademy as soon as possible. Okay, I will take you to the very good level. Both Govind as well as Sanjeev I can see here. Okay, both Sanjeev and Govind, I can expect you on Unacademy. Okay, please download the Unacademy application and first of all, please access the free content from Unacademy. Okay, so if you are confident, then go for the what, Unacademy Plus subscription as soon as possible. Okay, so both I am telling this to both Govind as well as Sanjeev Karpun. Okay, both are answering very well here, so thank you very much for that. And I expect your presence from tomorrow and onwards. Okay, tomorrow morning I will be having class at 8 o'clock. I expect your presence in the tomorrow's class. Okay, on Unacademy. Okay, so thank you very much. Shall I go to next problem now? Okay, next problem ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ. Look at this problem now. Let me look at this problem. Okay, so look at this problem here. The problem is saying that a charge Q is accelerated through a potential difference of V. Okay, it is then passed normally through a uniform magnetic field where it moves in a circle of radius r. Okay, the potential difference required to move it in a circle of radius 2r is the question. Can you answer it? Can you answer it? Let me see how many of you can answer it. Okay, option A is 2 volt, option B 4 volt, option C 1 volt. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And option D is 3 volt. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Can you answer it? Please answer it. I expect everyone to answer this problem now. What is the problem you? Any one of you? Madhuga? Any one of you? Madhuga? Okay, let me go ahead and solve this problem now. Okay, a charge Q. Okay, a charge Q is accelerated through a potential difference of V volt. Okay, it is then passed normally through a uniform magnetic field. Okay, normally ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, actually magnetic field into the magnetic paper ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ perpendicular ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, velocity component ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ charge particle ಇದು. Okay, then it is passed normally through a uniform magnetic field. Okay, very good. Pressing is in that option B. Okay, and Sanjeev Karpun says that option 2B. Okay, 2B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ okay, so option, okay, this say that 4B is right answer and Sanjeev saying that option B is right answer. Okay, let me check. Okay, so ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, where it moves in a circle of radius r ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Okay, the potential difference required to move it in a circle of radius 2r is the question. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, the radius must be equal to mv divided by qb ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, as well as mass into velocity, but ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ p divided by qb ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. that is also equal to square root of 2 times mk, where k is the kinetic energy divided by qb ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. also that is also equal to 1 divided by b into square root of 2mv divided by root q ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, where v is nothing but potential difference or potential ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. this is what already studied. okay, 2mv. okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the only changing factor is v ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ I can take the variable r is directly proportional to square root of v ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ತರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, that is the condition. so that you can definitely get the answer very easily. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಬೇಗ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ R is directly proportional to V ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, now you can clearly see here ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು here we have V volt ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವೇನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, they are asking ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಏನು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಏನು 2R ಆಗಬೇಕು. now we can say that R is equal to, you know that R is directly proportional to square root of V ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, and 2R is directly proportional to square root of V dash ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. okay, now I need to calculate the value of V dash now. ನಾನು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನೀಗ V dash ನಾನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ as equation number 1, equation number 2. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, equation number 1 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, equation number 2 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, R divided by 2R, that is equal to square root of V divided by square root of 2V ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು R ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ V dash ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ V dash, ನಾಟ್ 2V dash, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ V dash. ಓಕೆ, V dash ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್, ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, you left with 1 divided by 2 is equal to square root of V divided by square root of V dash ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, take the squares on both sides. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, so that I will get rid how much, 1 divided by 4, that is equal to V divided by V dash ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯಿತು. so it implies V dash must be equal to how much, 4V ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. you left with how much, V dash must be equal to 4V. so that's the reason why 4V is the right answer for this question. okay, using white marker. okay, white marker. okay, sure, let me take the white marker. okay, so V dash must be equal to 4V is the right answer for this question. okay, V dash must be equal to 4V. so is it clear to everyone? So that we got the value for V dash must be equal to 4V as the right answer. okay, we got the answer as 4V. Which is the right answer for this question? option ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. option B should be the right answer for this question, 4V. okay, Prince Singh has answered it properly. option B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, very good, and that is the right answer for this question. okay, that is the right answer for this question. This is how you can easily answer this problem. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. is there any doubt? if you have any doubts, you can raise a query, and I will be taking the Rankers Patch course on Unacademy. please join me as soon as possible, okay, by taking the plus subscription on Unacademy. okay, so thank you very much. okay, shall I move to the next problem now? Let me move to the next problem. okay, look at this problem now. A straight wire of length 50 cm carrying a current of 2.5 ampere is suspended in mid-air by a uniform magnetic field of 0.5 Tesla as shown in the figure. The mass of the wire is the question. Mass of the wire. Answer it. Let me see how many of you can answer it. A straight wire of length 50 cm carrying a current of 2.5 ampere is suspended in mid-air by a uniform magnetic field. See, the same type of the problems we have solved in electrostatics as well. Electrostatics ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ತರ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ ದನ್ ದಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Any answer? Any answer? Okay, see here, let me go ahead to solve this problem now. ನೋಡಿ, this wire, straight wire has a length how much? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 50 cm ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, it has a length 50 cm and carrying a current of 2.5 ampere. 2.5 ampere current ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. okay, is suspended in mid-air by a uniform magnetic field of 0.5 Tesla. okay, the mass of the wire is the question. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ F is equal to m into g ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. okay, F equal to m into g will be acting on the straight wire. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಸಮ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ okay, Govinda Prasad, tomorrow what time you are going to take the class and which chapter? Govinda Prasad, I am taking current electricity on Unacademy tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. Okay, tomorrow morning 8 o'clock, sure. Okay, it's a questions and answer session on Unacademy, so please kindly join me. It's a special class, absolutely free for you. Okay, if you like that, I recommend you to get into Unacademy Plus subscription as soon as possible. Okay, so now listen to me now. So we have to apply the opposite force F4, okay, against the F equal to mg. There is a force due to gravitation here. Okay, one F equal to mg denotes irutte, but force due to magnetic field. So the force due to magnetic field is F equal to B sin theta I into L cross B. Okay, this is what F equal to I into L cross B. This is what we have studied. Okay, L cross B ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ mg ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, so now let me use the same thing here. ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೆನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಈ ಎರಡು ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ವೈರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವೈರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಈ ವೈರು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ನಾವು m ಇಂಟು g ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು I ಇಂಟು L ಇಂಟು B ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, I ಇಂಟು L into B into sin theta, ಈ ತರ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So now we can take the maximum force applying on that. Let me take theta is equal to 90 degrees, so that the value of that is 1. Okay, sure. So now we can say that m into g that must be equal to I into L into B is there. Correct? Now you need to find out the value for m here. It implies the mass m must be equal to I into L into B divided by g ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. So now we can take g is equal to 10 meter per second square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, so now go ahead to substitute the values for that, so that I can get the value for mass is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು current ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Can you please tell me? Can you please what is the value of the current here? Current to 2.5 ampere current. So this 2.5 ampere current is flowing through that, and the length of the conductor is 50 centimeter, 10 to the power of minus 2, and the magnetic field is how much? Can you please tell me what is the value of the magnetic field there? 0.5 Tesla. 0.5 Tesla. 0.5 Tesla divided by how much? It is 10 here. Okay, 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ 1010 ಹೋಯಿತು. This is what 5 into 0.5 in the sense how much? 25 125 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಅದು? How much is that? 1/2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? It should be 1/2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, 25 125 125 into 5 625. So answer should start with 2, right? 6, right? Answer should start with 6 it seems. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ only option C is the right answer for this question. Only option C holds good. Okay, only option C holds good. That's the reason why 62.5 gram is the right answer for this question. 62.5 gram. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? What, Surekha sir? Can you please tell me? Yeah, these are all the previous year questions. Okay, these are all the previous year questions I have taken. Okay, but in Unacademy classes I am taking very good problems for you people. Okay, ಒಳ್ಳೆ problems ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, so that you can definitely crack Karnataka CET 2021 for sure. Okay, so kindly join my lectures by tomorrow 8 o'clock on Unacademy, which is a special class tomorrow. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ join ಆಗಿ try ಮಾಡಿ. Tomorrow 8 o'clock I am taking some of the questions, very good questions for you, so that you can definitely solve the problems. Okay, as well as you can definitely crack Karnataka CET 2021 very easily. Okay, ನೋಡೋಣ. So have you got this answer? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ? So final answer is 62.5 grams. Okay, the final answer is 62.5 grams ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, here it is 2.5 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25 into 5 is 125. 125 into 5 is 625 ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 625 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್? 6 ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. ಅದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ CET. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay, so now let me go to the next problem. Next problem move ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. This is a very good type of problem. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನೇ. The magnetic field at the center of a current carrying loop of radius 0.1 meter is 5√5 times that at the point along its axis. The distance of this point from the center of the loop is the question. Very good problem. Can you answer it problem? ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? Let me know. How many of you can solve this problem? ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Anyone of you? ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದಾನ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, that must be equal to 1 plus x square by r square. Okay, 1 plus x square by r square whole to the power of 3 by 2. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, so that you definitely get the answer very easily. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, so this is what magnetic field at the center to the magnetic field on the axis. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ suppose if you have a current carrying loop ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, okay, suppose some current will be flowing like this is the center. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ r ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, it has a radius r ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is the point on the axis. Okay, at a distance of x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ the magnetic field is the center. ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇರೋದು. Okay, ಇದು the point P. ಇದು point P on the axis. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. B magnetic field in the center to the magnetic field on the axis, that must be equal to 1 plus x square by r square whole to the power of 3 by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay, look at both formulas, sir. See, I have written here, sir. Okay, can you please see here the value of the magnetic field at the center to the magnetic field on the axis. Okay, this is what very, very important here. Okay, you have to remember it. If you are expecting the value for magnetic field on the axis, okay, it is what magnetic field on the axis, that must be equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi into 2 pi n I r square divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. This is the formula. This will give the magnetic field on the axis. Okay, suppose if you want to take the ratio of those two, you have to use this formula and you can definitely get the answer very easily. Okay, ತುಂಬಾ easy ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay, so now you can clearly see here ಏನನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, now I need to find out the value of magnetic field on the point. Okay, ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. The magnetic field at the center of the current carrying loop of radius 0.1 is √5 times that at the point along the axis. Okay, ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So now I can substitute that magnetic field at the center, B center, okay, P center must be equal to 5√5 times. Okay, it is simplified formula, exactly, it's a simplified formula. Okay, so 5√5 times what? Magnetic field on the axis and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so therefore I can say take magnetic field at the center to the magnetic field on the axis ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, equal to 5√5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. Okay, I can take it as, okay, so now we can take like this, B center to the axis must be equal to 5√5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ವಾ. So now we can substitute 5√5, that must be equal to 1 plus x square. Now you need to find out the value of x square ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Divided by r square is given as how much? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? r value is given as how much? 0.1. Okay, 0.1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, 0.1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Clearly see here. Okay, 0.1 square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, this is what very, very important. Now everything is upon simplification. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ simplification ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ simplification ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, first try to square on both sides. I am making square on both sides. 5 square into 5, that must be equal to 1 plus x square divided by 0.1 square whole to the power of 3 ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, because I am making the square on both sides. Okay, I am squaring the I am squaring on both sides. Okay, I am squaring on both sides, so that I will definitely get like this. Okay, so that it will get 125 here. That must be equal to. Okay, sir, video cut ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Everything is fine here. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? No, everything is fine. Everything is fine from my side. Let me check. Okay, ಏನು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay, 1 plus x square by r square whole to the power of ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ, x square by 0.1 square whole to the power of 3 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to make it cube root. Okay, taking cube root on both sides. Taking cube root on both sides. Root on both sides. Okay, Harsha Patil, sir, nimdu yav district? I am from Uttara Kannada. Okay, Sirsi. I am from Uttara Kannada, Sirsi. Okay, so if I take the cube root on both sides, what will I get here? But a cube root of 125 is 5 here. That is equal to 1 plus x square divided by 0.1 square anta bandirutte nಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ. Now you can say that 0.1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 to the power of minus 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು. The value of this is 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, 1 by 0.1 andre how can you take 1 by 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of minus 2. Exactly, it's 10 to the power of minus 2. So that 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2, that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 in plus x square. Okay, plus x square. It should be plus. Okay, it should be plus x square. Plus x square ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore x square equal to how much? X square equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 minus 10 to the power of minus 2. That is what? 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore x equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1, that is what? 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter. So the question will get how much? 0.2 meter as the right answer for this question. 0.2 meter. In the other option only 0.2 meter. It is there in option B. And this is the right answer for this question. Okay. That's the right answer for this question. Option B is the right answer for this question. This is how we can easily solve this problem. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. Okay. Please take the Unacademy Class subscription by using my code SATISHTLIVE. Okay, SATISHTLIve is my code, SATISHTLIVE. Okay, so you definitely get 10% off on the course fees. Okay, I have one special class that is absolutely free for you tomorrow morning 8 o'clock, which is absolutely free of cost for you. There we are discussing about current electricity, questions and answer sessions on current electricity. Kindly join that. I will definitely take you to the right path. Okay, so I expect all of you to get into Unacademy Class subscription as soon as